So for this problem, to solve for the value for x, so from this given, so first, using the different properties of logarithm, so this becomes log x then plus for this, so from the power property of logarithm that n log x, so this is equal to log x to the power n. So this becomes log 4 to the power x, then equals log 4 then plus log then the quantity of 32 plus 4 to the power x. Then for this, so using the product property of logarithm, that log n plus log m, so this is equal to log, then times m times n. So this becomes log, then 6, then times 4 to the power x, then equals, again, using the product property of logarithm, so this becomes log, then 4, then times 32 plus 4 to the power x. Then observe that both sides, so we have this log, so we can cancel. So we have now 6 times 4 to the power x, then equals, so multiply this 4 times 32, this is equal to 128, then plus multiply, so this becomes 4 then times 4 to the power x, then this time we need to transpose this 4 times 4 to the power x to the other side. So this becomes 6 then times 4 to the power x, then this becomes minus, then 4 times 4 to the power x, then equals 128. Then observe that we can factor out this 4 to the power x. So we have 4 to the power x then times, so the remaining is 6 then minus, the remaining is 4, then equals 128. Then to simplify, so this becomes 4 to the power x then times this 6 minus 4, this one is equal to 2, then equals 128. Then divide both sides by 2, divide by 2. So we have now 4 to the power x then equals, so 128 divided by 2, this one is equal to 64. Then to solve for x, so we can use the logarithm or the natural log. So we need to ln both sides. So we have ln 4 to the power x equals ln 64. Then again, using the power property of logarithm, so we can put this exponent before this ln, so this becomes x. Then ln 4 then equals ln 64. And again, to solve for x, then divide both sides by ln 4 divided by ln 4. So therefore, x equals, so ln 64 divided by ln 4. So we have ln 64 divided by ln 4. So equals, so we have 3. So therefore, x is equal to positive 3.